Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing something really cool. I got something awesome that just came in. I'm going to unbox it and then try to get it all set up. But we got quick jacks. Alright, so we have a whole bunch of these right here, which are actually pretty cool. I ordered these extra, but look, that can slide in there, and then you can add these on to raise it up even higher. So that's pretty cool. I got a couple of wall hangers, so we're gonna try to hang those up, and then some other blocks, but we got the two giant boxes right here for each side, and then we have this other box right here. So I'm pretty excited. So that's box 3 of 3. So then, okay, so yeah. So I'm not honestly going to do this all in video. I'm going to kind of try to get all this put together. And then I'm going to show you guys trying it out and trying to lift up the new Corolla. So I don't know how well it's going to go, but I'm going to hopefully have some good instructions. I want to follow along, try to get all this set up, and then show you guys kind of like the end result. And also, like I said, trying it out for the first time. And I have a bunch of projects for like how-to videos coming for this Corolla. A lot of stuff such as like the starter, the ignition coils, stuff like that, like a bunch of kind of projects coming for that car. So if you guys are interested in those, definitely hit that subscribe button, because there's gonna be a lot more videos coming with that. But also with these quick jacks, I'll be able to work on like my Lexus a lot easier and have some upcoming projects that these things are definitely gonna help with. So let's go ahead and get started with opening up these boxes and trying to get everything set up. All right, so you know you've got some good equipment when the box literally has wood in it. Like this was a layer on top, and then there's this one underneath with a bunch of styrofoam on either end, and there's all these like cables like wrapped around all the way down. And man, this thing is like really crazy. It's super heavy so far. Already, like I'm excited to go ahead and try to get this thing set up, but I still need to finish getting all the styrofoam and stuff off of that. Still got the other box I need to open up, and then we got the final box, which should be like the compressor and everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish unboxing all of this stuff and then try to figure out how to set it up. All right, so I have the jacks right here. I also have the little air compressor right there. I went ahead and added all these different fittings onto all these hoses, and they have some thread sealant that needs to sit. And even the instructions pretty much say you have to wait 24 hours before you can pretty much proceed. So I was gonna leave it right there for now, and then in the same video, I'm just gonna pick it up. I'm busy tomorrow, and then like the day after I'll be able to work on it. So for you guys, it'll just be a few seconds. All right, so we're back with a different day. It's still gloomy, but here we are, and all these like little fittings and stuff have definitely set for, I mean, it's been over 24 hours, but what we're gonna do actually did pick up the ATF. And thanks to the guys at O'Reilly for kind of helping me out. They were super cool, but got some of the fluid for this unit. We're going to put 2.5 quarts in here. We're going to hook up all the lines, and then we're going to start doing the bleeding process. We're going to raise up a side of this. We're going to kind of raise it up and down, get a lot of that air out of the system before we kind of get it all ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and do a lot of that off camera. It's kind of tedious, so I'm just going to go ahead and knock that out. And then hopefully once I get done with that, then we can start raising up cars. But I don't know if I mentioned it. If you guys are interested in picking up some quick jacks, there's going to be links in the description down below. So definitely go check that out. These things, from everybody I've known that has them, are absolutely amazing. And you just slide them under the car, raise the car up super quick and easy. This process is a little tedious to get it started, but like once you get it going, it's going to be awesome. But yeah, let me go ahead and catch up with you guys once I kind of get the whole bleeding process taken care of. All right, so I went ahead and got everything, kind of got bleeded out with all the air and everything. I got the car pulled in. We got the jacks ready to go, so we're about to slide these under. And then got the pump and everything right here. We got the awesome control unit, and this thing is insane. I just love the way these connections look. Like, that is insane. And then they just pop right on to the other end, and these things just look so cool. Like, look at it. It just like pops together, and then it like unlocks in a really cool way too. Man, these things are absolutely insane, but we got them all ready to go. So let's go ahead, slide these under the car and get the like blocks and stuff put in and get this thing raised up. All right, so as I'm about to put these blocks under, I saw something that I noticed on the Lexus as well. Toyota does this really cool thing with, I don't know if you can see it right here, there's like a little triangle like indentation in the body. And that right there is your jack point. So it tells you to go right across, and right here is the jack point right across from that little triangle. And it's even the same thing on the front right there as well. So I love how Toyota does that. But we're already lining this up. And this right here is like your little safety lock. So whenever you go up, it kind of clicks into place. All right, so the system is all lined up on this side, ready to go. Got the hoses coming out, going to the main unit right here. And then we got the other hose connected to this side, all ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the controls. I'm probably gonna lay on the ground, right, so I can see underneath the car, just to make sure that everything is lifting evenly and properly. But man, I'm so excited, but here we go. Actually, let me set the camera somewhere where it actually looks good and not like this terrible angle. So let me actually run it over here and set it down right there. All right, I think it looks good so far. I'm just double checking everything. All right, everything looks good to go. So let's go ahead and raise it up all the way. All right, so the car is very front heavy. I don't know if you guys saw the whole thing kind of like tilting a little bit. So that kind of scared me for a second. I thought the whole car was going to flip off of that. So I think we're still good. I mean, there's like really no weight in the back of that. But as you saw, the latch did kind of go. It clicked onto the kind of the first setting. So now it's locked into place. There's currently no pressure in the lines right now. So it's all sitting kind of like on these bars. And then there is another setting further up, but I think right now we're kind of good with this setting, at least for most maintenance. I just want to make sure everything's good and solid before I eventually raise it all the way up for different projects. But wow, that is so convenient. That is going to be so easy to get underneath it. Like, man, this is crazy. All right, so I figured since the car was kind of already on the quick jacks, everything was like looking really good. Why not just go ahead and raise it all up? So this is what it looks like when it's all the way up. Man, that looks crazy. It's just wild seeing how tall that is in the garage here and how much space is underneath that. And if you can't really tell how much space that is, yeah, that's how much space there is. Man, this is absolutely insane. I'll be able to work on the underside of this, get to everything, and have so much clearance. Man, I absolutely love this. So now in the future when I'll be working on projects, like I can work on the whole underside. And even like to do like the oil change, I see like the drain plug right there. So out in the open, but man, this looks crazy being able to see the whole underside of this car like this. Just having it all raised up and just that amount of clearance is insane. So definitely pick up some quick jacks if you guys are interested in doing some DIY projects at home. Man, this is such a great investment. All right guys, so if you like this video of the quick jacks, definitely go down and hit the like button down below. These things are absolutely amazing, and the amount of clearance space underneath the car is phenomenal. So if you guys do want to pick up one of these, there's gonna be links in the description down below for like everything. I picked up it all on Amazon, including this creeper right here. But if you guys did like the video, hit the like button, subscribe so you guys don't miss out on other upcoming videos. Plus I have a ton of how-to videos coming with this car, so definitely stay tuned, check it out. And now that I have quick jacks, I can raise up all kinds of cars, all kinds of projects. My Lexus, some upcoming cars, so definitely stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. But also I do have a merch store, so if you guys haven't already checked it out, there's gonna be a link down below as well. I have a bunch of really cool car related products, such as like cool keychains, water bottles that look like NOS bottles, a bunch of other cool kind of car stuff. But then also if you guys like Hot Wheels, I do have a bunch of Hot Wheels on there as well, so definitely go check it out, link in the description down below. But if you guys like the video, like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.